Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you decide to stick around. So today, I need to fix this problem. My fridge needs to be cleaned out so badly. I have so many leftovers and containers that I haven't even cleaned up the mess in the kitchen yet because these dishes are going to probably take up the whole dishwasher. So I need to empty the dishwasher, and then I'll get started on that. I like to just give everything a good wipe down with a rag with some water and vinegar. I don't like to spray any kind of cleaners in my fridge because I feel like your food ends up smelling or tasting like it, and that's just gross. Since Tucker likes to get in the fridge whenever he wants and try to grab snacks, I made it so that the sweet stuff, their little Jell-O cups and cookies and things like that, are back in the bag now, so he can't easily reach them and probably won't grab any without my permission. Our fridge is looking a little low again. These boys, I don't know what I'm going to do when they're teenagers. today because my box just got here. Kids are yelling in the background. I finally used my gift card that I won on another YouTuber's giveaway. Thank you, Amber. I actually got myself something with it instead of my kids, which is not a common thing. I almost spent it on them, but I spent it on me. I finally got some Method cleaners. I haven't had any for a while. Got the Honeycrisp Apple, Anti-Bac Citron. I'm gonna use this in my bathroom and this for my kitchen and everything else. And the exciting part, I got a new tripod. The one my camera's on right now is so broken. I don't even know how my phone's staying on it, so yay! Little box of goodies for mom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss another one.